Alright, we're at the wave pool at Blizzard Beach, and I think the wave machine broke. It's like a geyser. First we thought people were just splashing, but it's been like that a while now. All the lifeguards are there. So something must be up with the wave machine. It's been like that for a few minutes now.
No, it was like they arrived to Valparaíso. They come to Valparaíso for a while and then they left. Valparaíso.
Guess who noticed it? Guess who noticed it?
You.
Yes!
That was the big world after the
One drop.
They just kicked everybody out of the pool. They're just kicking everybody out because, again, the waves are not working here. Oh, they just shut it off.
Good thing they. Oh